Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change RAM 2500 windshield wipers. First, make sure you have the correct replacement blades for your truck. You'll also want a clean cloth and possibly some rubbing alcohol. Park your RAM 2500 on a level surface and turn off the engine. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Be careful not to let it snap back down. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Look closely at where the blade connects to the wiper arm. You'll usually find a small tab or button that needs to be pressed or squeezed. Once pressed, slide the old blade down and off the hook on the arm. After removing the blade, gently lower the bare wiper arm back onto the windshield. This prevents it from accidentally springing back and cracking your glass. With the old blade off, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up the arm until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firm. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper. Before you hit the road, it's crucial to test your new wipers. Turn on your RAM 2500 and activate the windshield washer fluid. Observe the blades as they sweep across the glass. They should move smoothly, quietly, and clear the water effectively without streaking. If you notice any issues, double-check the installation. Also, for more great tips and a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.